Good day guys, welcome to Noble Creative Digital Marketing Agency. I hope you guys are doing great. In this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to design a barbecue flyer and a flyer. So without wasting much of our time, let's get to the business of today. So you just leave it at this custom size 1280. So the next thing you have to do is to click here, then change the background color to black color. So we are using black color for it. Cool. So after that, the next thing we're going to do is to bring out something that I downloaded from gallery. So let me bring it out. So this actually the stuff. So just crop it. So after you copy, then you place it at the middle. So after it is full like this, then you use it. So after that, the next thing you're going to go is to go to your color filter, then you filter the color filter, then you change the whole saturation to something like this, something black. So you just put something black. Good. So after that, the next thing you have to do is to click on your plus button, bring out something. I bring out again this paper. No, actually not this one. Reselect this one. Actually, so after that you place it here, then you actually choose something like this. Then you use it. Then you place it on top of this stuff. So after that, the next thing is not the middle, so good. So after that, the next thing I'm going to do right now is to click on your property and gallery again. Then it's going to click on this fire. So I'm going to bring out this fire. So I'm going to increase it here. I'm going to place it here. Then I'm going to place it under. So click on your layer, then drag it to the back. So you can see it's good, so you're good to go. You just sort it like this. Good. So we're good to go. So just have to play like this that too. So after that, next thing I'm going to bring is to click on gallery, then you click on this barbecue and this stuff. So I'm going to place it on top of this place. So before that, you're going to edit. So just click on the gallery, then you edit. Good. So after the next thing you're going to do is to click on the plus button, click on text, then you click on barbecue, then you write your barbecue barbecue. So I'm going to put instead of C, it should be Q. Barbecue. So you go to your font, then you change the font to something Bebasnue font to Bebasnue regular. So after you change the font to Bebasnue regular, you go to your color, you click on plus button, then you reduce this you use to this. Good. So it won't show anything negative. So can you see it? It's not showing negative. So after that, you click on your plus button, on your good, then you go to your you go to your stroke, then you bring it out, then you change this color to red color. So you just go to red color, change the red color. Good. So you can see it. Color. So let me go to my stroke again. Seems the stroke is too much. You just give it 2. So 2 is okay. Then place it here. Good. So after you done this, the next thing you're going to do is to duplicate it, then go to your stroke, then you have to remove the stroke, When you stroke, remove it and disable it. Then go to your color. Then give it this color. Actually, so can you see it? So you place it here too. So can you see what we're doing? So after that, the next thing I have to do is to go to your layer again. Then enable this. Then move this one to the top of them. Just long press it. Then move to the. Can you see it? Then move to the up of. So can you see it now? They are under it. Those right top are under it. They are showing. So after that, the next thing I'm going to do is to click on my plus button. You click from gallery. Then you click from this. So I'm going to bring out this stuff, what you call smoke. So after I bring the smoke, so the next thing I'm going to do it right now is to actually rotate it. Then I bring it out like this. So can you see it? So let's play. Stuff is breaking that smoke. So after that, just lock everything, lock it. Good. So after that, the next thing we are going to be doing right now, I think this one is now well placed on top of it, so let me place it to it. Good.
I'll be waiting till you're ready. I'll wait as long as it takes.
So after that, next I'm going to right now, just duplicate this barbecue. Just duplicate it. So after you duplicate it, you're going to put it here. So you're going to change the color to something white color. So what I'm going to do is just change it to white color. So color to white color. You're going to put it here. Cool. So after you place the next step to bring out is to bring out the onions and the tomato. So let me bring out the onions. So this is the onions. So I'm going to place the onions here. So after you're done, then bring out from gallery again. Then bring out this tomato. Then you also place it around there. Then duplicate it. Then I'm going to place it around there too. So after that, I'm going to bring out the leaf, the vegetable leaf. So let's go. So I'm going to bring out this. So can you see it is plenty? So what I'm going to do, so I'm going to go to my eraser. Go to your eraser. Then I'm going to erase. Just erase it. I'm going to erase all this face. Good. So I'm leaving only this one. So I'm going to put it here. After that, you duplicate it again. Then you go to your eraser again. Then you click on this back. Good. So can you see everything that's small back there? You increase it again. Then you click on this. You clean it. So I'm leaving only this one. So click on good again. I'm going to place it here. Just increase it. Then I'm going to place it here. But you're going to place it on that. So just leave on top of it. Then you can press it to the back. So I think it's okay like this. So after that, you press it, you duplicate it again. Then you rotate it. Bring it here. So to the back again. So you just press it, then move to the back again. So can you see it? Good. So after that, the next thing I'm going to be doing now is to bring one thing from gallery. So you click from gallery, you're going to bring out this stuff. So good. So after you bring out, then you go to color, then you change the color to red color. So after that, you're going to place it here. Just choose something like this, then I'm going to place it here. Good. Just go to your relative position, then position at the middle. Good. So after that, next thing I'm going to do is to write, click on your text, then you write Sunday, Sunday, Saturday's due, Saturday deals, special discounts. Good. So going to do something like this. Then, so the next thing I'm going to go next is go to your what do you call it? Go to your font, then change to something they call using your Pixellab. This blogger sound. Good. Blogger sound board. Then you go to place it here.
Yeah, your future's so bright. So just smile like there's no one watching. Early morning on Saturday. Wake up, time to get it started. No one's gonna get in your way. No one's gonna leave you broken hearted. You don't need nobody else. Everyone knows you're doing well.
Good. So after that, the next thing I'm going to be doing right now is to copy it. Copy it, then you write you can book us online. You can book online via www.bbq.com. So capture letter. So before you do that, you're going to click on your chip here. So you're going to place it on top of it. So you can see it. So after you place it over there, you drag it down here. Good. So make sure that the middle, put your lazy position at the middle. So you can see it. So just reduce it. Good. So let's position very well again. Go at the middle. So now this one's going to come in. So you're going to drag this one to the back of it. Good. So after that, you go to your color, change the right color you are using. So just place it here. So can you see it right now? Good. So after that, next thing I'm going to be doing is to click on this Saturday, then you duplicate it, then you write 6 p.m. Then you write 6 p.m. 6 p.m. Then you write every Saturday. So you're going to place it here. So after that, the next thing I'm going to write now is to duplicate it. Then you write $4 for drink. So capture the title again. So I'm going to put it here. So can you see we are good to go? So this is the end of the tutorial. So after that, just click on this, save it as project and save it as image. So I'm going to save it as PNG and very high or ultra. So save it as ultra now. So you just set your gallery. And this is the end of the tutorial. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get more updates from this channel, and don't forget to share the video for others to see. So thank you for watching up to now. Thank you.